Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view notification history on your Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all we need to open our settings application, and after we have opened the settings application, we can go to the notification setting, this one, and go to the advanced settings. And since we want to see our notification history in our Android mobile phone, we can go to the notification history menu, and here you will be able to view all the notification history you have on your Android mobile phone. You can check it one by one like this by each application. Okay, as you can see, I have 29 notification from the Google, and we can scroll down to see the whole notification history from each application like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can view notification history on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.